I built a real store for this fashion brand using just AI, and the results were totally crazy. This is how it started. So I was just scrolling on WhatsApp and I saw this WhatsApp status with the words where I could come see backend developer like this. Curious, I asked him what he wanted to use it for, and he said he wanted to build a website for his fashion brand to show investors. And I thought, what a perfect opportunity to build a real store for a real client. Problem is, I'm not even a backend developer. I know nothing about coding, but I do know my way around AI. So I'm going to show you the exact step by step of how I helped this fashion designer build a website for his brand. Let's take a look at what he had to say after I finished. So the first thing I did was I tried to get as much details as I can about what I was trying to build. As you can see here, I told my guy, send me the details, what you have in mind, pictures, etc. So after I clarified those things, I went to ChatGPT. If you watched my previous video, you understand why. And if you haven't, I'm going to link that video right here. So the first thing I did was go to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT I need to build a website with Replit for the brand in the image attached, right? I went to copy his logo. And I told ChatGPT, I just want to use the free version of Replit as I can't afford to pay for premium. So it needs to be simple, and all I need is a place for where people to order for suits, yada yada yada. So I basically just gave the same information that the guy gave, and ChatGPT provided that prompt. So ChatGPT suggested that for now, WhatsApp order submission is the best free option since we are trying to conserve the free credit and we are not trying to do a lot. So I said, okay, you are right. How do I make that happen? He gave the prompt to achieve that. So what I did was I went to Replit, signed up, and once I signed up, it brought me to this page, right? And this page is where I pasted I pasted the prompt. Now, once you paste the prompt, it's going to take you into the page to build the app itself. But let's say you've left the app for the first time and you are going, and let's say you left the website the first time and you want to go back to that chat that you are building the thing, like I'm about to do now. All you have to do is go to projects, right? And you can see recent projects, click on the project you are working on. So I'm going to go to the very first prompt that allowed us to build this. So this is the first message that I sent to the site. As you can see, side by side is the same prompt. Once I did that, this wasn't like what's on the right isn't the first thing that the site brought, but upon edit. So once I sent the first prompt, we finished the first MVP site, like a working website in 3 minutes. And I gave you more information. Also add this. This is the WhatsApp number. Blah 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 blah. What I wanted it to add. I also asked ChatGPT for this one as well because I needed a format. I gave it a bunch of instructions again that I got from ChatGPT. What I typically do is send a screenshot of the app. After it's done, I send like the whole pages, right? And I ask ChatGPT again, okay, what else does it need to add? And then it will suggest other updates. So as you can see here, after it's finished, I told ChatGPT the site looks a bit boring. I know I'm using the free version of Replit, but I need it to still be scroll stopping, eye catching, aesthetically pleasing, modern, and follow all the UI UX rules. These are very specific words to make sure that whoever is looking at it is finds what they are looking at interesting. And the fact that it follows all UI UX rules, if you're a designer watching this, or if you are not, UI UX rules are basically what all your favorite apps, they follow all of these rules to ensure that you have a good time using the apps that you are using. So I try to get that inside this as well. Upgrade the website to look premium, do not add, blah 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 blah. As you can see, this is the images that I talked about. It's just me and ChatGPT doing back and forth, and ChatGPT and Replit deliver something spectacular from doing that. One of the issues that Replit typically has is it doesn't get the logo right, especially when you're like typing the website. It still puts the default Replit logo. So this statement says just to ensure that my logo is what goes everywhere. Everything took, let me take a look. Give or take, everything took about 15, 30 minutes. if I didn't run out of replicas. Like this is a combined time. So, and if we take a look at the app, if you say start your order, if you click start your order, it takes you to, you know, customer details, package selection, measurement, standard suit size, style and details, submit order via WhatsApp, and that takes us to the seller's WhatsApp DM. And if suppose I clicked view past work, these are pictures I took from his Instagram page. I screenshotted, cropped, and added it. And Replit also added it automatically once you upload. So you can see it's pretty easy and quick to build your own store once you know how to combine these specific AI tools, right? So, and it's actually fun as well. It's actually fun as well. So, this is how to build your own store or help family, friends, whoever to build a store for their businesses, a working store. This already works, and I'll show you. As you can see, the page works, it's solid, it's solid. Even if you view this on mobile, let me try to go to mobile screen. This is how it will look. So you see sheets. So this is how it will look on mobile as well. And it works like easy, 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 easy. This is how people are now building, normal people, especially people with no coding experience. This is how they are now building websites, apps, whatever in 2026. And this is how you can too. There's no limit to what you can build with Replit agents. Absolutely nothing at all. People are building petition sites with it. People are building social apps. People are building money tracking, finance apps, e-commerce stores, portfolio sites, whatever. The sky is your limit, or your imagination is your limit. If you are still watching video, tell me what you'd like to see me build in the comment section so I can actually show the exact step-by-step process. I think that will be the third video. So let me know what you guys want me to build. It can be anything at all. I haven't tried building a game with it yet, but you can also say a game. Let's see if this will be able to build a game as well. But ultimately, let me know what you might be building with Replit. Let me know what you would like me to build in the next videos using Replit. And if you want to go ahead and give Replit a try right now, check for my referral code in the description to this video. And happy building. Also, please don't forget to like these videos, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the next videos. And actually, if you subscribe and like this video, I can't pay video editor yet to help me make better videos. So your subscriptions and your likes will definitely help me achieve that much faster. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next videos.